Hey everyone, today we're going to look at a wind direction and speed problem. This one was emailed into bluewatarbasics@gmail.com. If you have any questions, you can email them there. If these videos are helping you out, please like and subscribe. So the ship is on a course of 195 at a speed of 15 knots. The apparent wind is from 40 degrees on the port bow, speed 30 knots. The direction and speed of true wind are what? So I'll first point to the bottom of the screen here. Order of steps may change, and this depends on the two entering arguments we're given and what we're looking for. In this case, we're given course and speed, and we're given apparent wind to find our true wind speed. We could encounter a problem where we are given true wind speed and our course and speed, and we're looking for apparent wind. So just recognize that these steps can change in order. Step one is to, from the center, plot our course and speed, 195 at 15 knots. And that 15 knots is going to be reflected as a length in our track. And I'll show you that on the scale on the maneuvering board in a moment. So 195 at 15 knots. Step two is from the end of the vessel track, plot our apparent wind speed and direction. 40 degrees on the port bow at 30 knots. 195 minus 40 is 155. We'll measure 155 from the center at a length of 30 or a speed of 30 knots, and then we'll shift that over to the end of our vessel track line. Step three is from the center, plot our true wind speed and direction. And what that means is that we're just connecting these two lines to create a triangle. Our wind speed is from the center, so we know it's true. The length of the line will be our speed. So from the center to the end of our relative or apparent wind, we can find our true wind and speed. So I'll show you that on a maneuvering board. So step one is from the center, plot our course and speed, 195. You want to pick one of these scales, 1, 2 on the right-hand side, 3, 4 on the left-hand side. I'll go ahead and use this second one. Our speed is 15 knots. So from the center, along that track, we want to mark our speed at 15 knots. So this is 195 at 15 knots. Our second step is to plot our apparent wind speed. 40 degrees off the port bow, that's 195 minus 40 for relative wind direction of 155. Remember, pointing to the bottom left of our screen here, wind direction is from. So this is going to be from 155 at 30 knots. We will do this. You can do this one of two ways. You can plot from the center and shift that line over, or you can shift your triangle over and plot it directly from the end of your track. So start at 155. It's about right there. And then we can shift this over to the 195 at 15 knots track line, and I'll draw a line from there. From there, I'll measure, using that same scale, 30 knots, which is our speed of apparent wind. This is 40 degrees relative off the port bow at 30 knots. Now we need to connect these endpoints, or start and end points. So from the center, we will draw to the end of that line. And you can see that it passes through 308. Remember that wind comes from, so we'll do 308 minus 180, because wind is coming 180 degrees reciprocal from 308. And we can find that our direction is 308 minus 180. Our direction is 128. So this is our true wind direction. And to find the speed, we will measure the length of this line. We always want to make sure we use the same scale that we started out with for a speed of 21 knots. 128 true at 21 knots. We can see that answer choice B is closest, and this is how you do a wind direction and speed problem. So answer choice B.